guys, welcome back. I'm gonna begin with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer for that all over moisture. Next, I'm gonna color correct with this NYX Contour and Concealer palette and picking up this orange shade and applying that to the dark areas of my face. And then I'm going to brighten those areas up with this yellow shade from the same palette. I'm going to be going in with my current favorite foundation at the moment. This is the Dior Backstage foundation. I'm in the shade 4 Warm Olive, and this just gives my skin the most beautiful, soft matte, silky smooth, buttery finish, and it's lightweight formulation, and I absolutely adore it. Next, I'm going in with the Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer from Sephora in the shades Tatin and Pecan Pie. And guys, I am using this product very sparingly because I still want a little bit of that luminosity without going overboard, and I still want my skin to look like skin, to have that luminous glow from within without making it look like as if I have too much product on the face, if you know what I mean. And just to set those highlighted areas, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in the shade 240. I'm going to contour with this NYX single shade called Sienna. This is a really nice neutral contour shade. It just goes well with pretty much anyone who has like a medium to light skin tone. And to warm up my skin, I'm going to be using the Amazonian Clay bronzer by Tarte. I am using a pretty neutral blush. This is a beautiful shade by Makeup Geek. It's called Infatuation. For highlighter, I'm going in with the ColourPop Supershock highlighter in the shade Wisp. I love the formulation of these highlighters. They just look absolutely amazing. I'm basically going to be applying this in a C shape here from the temples right to the tops of my cheekbones where the light would naturally hit. And now I'm finishing off the face with some setting spray. This is from NYX, and we are on to the eyes. Starting off with the Nudestix Magnetic Eye Color in Lilith as my base. And I'm blending it out with my fingers. You can use a brush if you'd like, but I like to use my fingers because this actually dries down fairly quickly. And my fingers help to warm up the product. Next, I'm picking up this golden champagne shade from the Covergirl TruNaked Goldens palette, just to give my eyelids some shine and also to set the base. Next, I'm using a waterproof eyeliner. I'm going to be lining my upper lash line, and I'm also going to be applying a little bit to the lower lash line. I'm going to create a small little kitten flick right at the end with this small detailer brush. I've gone ahead and applied falsies. These are the Kiss lashes in 03, and applying some mascara to the upper and bottom lashes. I'm using the Milk Kush mascara in black. I'm first going to go in with this NARS lipstick, and this is a deep aubergine sort of purple, and then I'm going to be going over this with a deeper plum shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And that's it for this tutorial, you guys. Leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!